Hey, what's up, you guys? Pardon my voice. I know I've been suffering with a sore throat now for over a week. Just went to the doctor, got it kind of figured out. But anyway, I was super excited to film this video because I resubscribed to Boxycharm. It's been a little while. The box is kind of small, but if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a beauty subscription box where you get 5 full-size products for $21 a month, I think. So without further ado, let's jump into it. This is just the basic box. I know Boxycharm does have I think 1 or 2 different varieties of boxes. But this is just the basic $21 a month box. So let's jump into it. I've got my scissors here to cut open the box. I was waiting like a crazy person for this box. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like inside. The theme this month is Make Waves. And on the back, it tells you everything about what you've got in the box. The first thing that I see is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. I have one already in a different shade, and I really do like the formula. This one is in the shade Talk is Chic, which probably would go better with my outfit today, not gonna lie. But it looks like this, just like a kind of fuchsia color. Let's swatch it on my hand. Ooh, I almost like that color better with my outfit today. Might have to switch it up. Really super pretty. I love the formula on these. And this retails for $18 for just the lipstick. So already you've pretty much got the value of your box. The next thing that I see is from Ciate. This is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Cupid. So let's take a look. Ooh, shoot. This is so, it's not even picking up on the camera. It's so pretty. Let's see what this, ooh, oh my gosh. Look at how gorgeous that is. I almost kind of want to pop a little bit on my lid. Do I or do I not? I mean, I'm going to work. Let's not. I'm scared. But I definitely think this is gorgeous. So, so pretty. So that retails for $22. It's like an eyeshadow topper, or you can put it on your whole lid just for your lid color. Super gorgeous. Then I have this. This is from Melo. This is the Brow Definer. Does it have a shade? I don't know. Oh, in the shade Taupe. So I hate these little plastic things on pencils. There we go. I love that it's sealed. It just takes forever to get off. So it looks like you have your spoolie on the one side and your pencil on the other. It's a little thicker than what I would want it to be, and it's a little different of a tip. But it does look like it would be a nice shade. That's that there. So we're definitely going to have to give this a try. It says that it's a non-greasy, easy glide formula. The triangular tip makes for easy hair-like strokes, and the long-lasting formula ensures your brows won't budge. So this retails for $18 as well. Really kind of cool to try out. You guys know I love my L'Oreal brow pencil, but we're definitely going to have to try that one out. Then, I have a product from Glam Glow. I don't think I've ever really had, owned a full product from Glam Glow. I think I've only tried, samples and stuff. This is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I love the packaging. Oh my gosh. That's first off. Ooh, and it's on the tube as well. So, basically, it's like a bubbly conditioner with amino acids. And yeah, removes makeup. Let's see. So it says It's a gel cleanser that cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. It's fragrance free, which is amazing for somebody like me with psoriasis, and it retails for $28. So this is the full size. You get 5 ounces in here. Super nice. I'm currently using a different cleanser, but this is definitely one that I'm going to have to put into the rotation. And again, I just love the packaging. It's just gorgeous. And the last thing that I got was the one I was most excited for from Lamar Cosmetics. I've not used anything from them before, but I've been really lusting over their palettes, and I was really like upset that I had unsubscribed from Boxycharm, and then like maybe a month or so after, their big palettes came out in the boxes. So this is the Colorette Blush Trio, and I got the shade Medium Tan. So I don't know if these will be too dark. Ooh, they're actually pretty. Like, these are what they look like. In the shade Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. So super pretty. More of like the peachy, warm tones. Let's swatch each one of them. They're really soft. Okay, so I did them kind of in a bad order, but this is Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. So they're really pretty. Let's swatch them on my hand. You know, they're pigmented, but they're not like super crazy pigmented, which is kind of nice, especially for these deeper shades. You know, I really do like that. It's a nice, like, easy, thin palette for traveling. And the packaging, again, is gorgeous. It says that they're buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula. And it retails for $22. I don't know if I would pay $22 for this little blush trio, but I'm glad that I have it. And yeah, so those are the products that I got in this month's Boxycharm. I am super pleasantly surprised. I was watching some people's unboxings, and I was kind of like, oh, I don't know about some of the products that like they got. So I'm really glad that I got the things that I got. This eye topper is gorgeous. The lipstick is beautiful. The blushes are really nice. Something from Glam Glow, which is like a prestige brand along, I mean, I guess Ciate and Dose of Colors are all prestige brands, but you know, I think it's really nice and totally worth the $21 a month. You get to try new things. I'm hoping this kind of curbs my like outside makeup spending because, you know, Lord knows I love to shop for some makeup. So I'm hoping getting like a box of products every month will kind of curb that like outside spending, and I'll just kind of stick to the Boxycharm products. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link to Boxycharm down below. And until next time, I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.